Hey y'all, it's your friend D, and in today's video, we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the super cute Barbie World Study Time Desk Playset. Now, I found this at Walmart for $10.97, but I have seen it at other online retailers ranging between $10 and $12. So it's definitely in that budget-friendly range, which y'all know we like over here. So today we're going to open it and take a closer look at everything inside and test it out with our dolls and figure out, is it worth our money? Before I unbox the desk, I do want to give a big thank you to all of you guys who left me well wishes while I was recovering, and a huge shout out to Pat, who sent me a lovely email. And for any of you guys who are wondering what I'm talking about, in December I got sick with some virus that was going around. I know several of you guys said you caught a virus also. Well, it took me a couple of months to fully recover from it. And it was, I guess it just kind of wrecked my immune system, because while I was recovering from that, I kept catching the flu, and then I caught a stomach virus also. So it just took me a while to fully heal from everything. And it caused some respiratory issues, and I still have just a smidge of some sinus issues going on right now. But I was finally able to voice my characters for the Totally Tundra episode that you guys have been waiting on, and I posted it last weekend. So that episode is up. So if you want to find out what happened with Sharon and those magical keys, that episode is up, and it is under the Totally Tundra playlist. So thank you guys once again, and I hope that all of you guys who caught that virus, that you are fully healed, and if you are still on your journey to healing, I'm going to keep you in my prayers. So now let's unbox that desk. When I was opening the packaging, I was really happy to see that the plastic was only glued around the edges of the cardboard backing, and that left us with a picture of a really cute room that we can use as a background. It is kind of small. It's only 9.5 inches by 7.5 inches, so it might work better for a Chelsea doll, but it's still a really nice picture of a room. Here's the desk, and I think it's pretty nice. We have purple, pink, and brown color blocking, a built-in cork board. We don't get real cork. This is plastic, but it does have texture to it. Some molded detail in these little cubby holes here, some storage underneath, and 2 faux drawers. There's even molded on details on the back of the desk. We have some pictures, keys, a bag, a plant, and some books. I think the overall design of this is pretty simple, and it's giving that bright Barbie vibe that we're all used to. And if we put our minds to it, we could probably make our own version of this desk. But at this price point, I'm not mad at this. And if you wanted a more realistic version of this, I think this would be an easy repaint. You also get a purple chair, and this is actually the reason why I really wanted this set, just for the chair. There's just something about this. It is just so adorable to me. It has a flower-shaped backrest, and this is just so cute. I can just see this being used in a kid's room, but in my head, I'm seeing a garden with a table set for lunch and 4 of these chairs around that table. I really hope that there's a way to buy more of the chairs by themselves. And you can see that the purple on the chair matches the purple on the desk. You get a silver laptop. The screen is a sticker that says Barbie, and you can always replace this with your own picture. We have molded on keys. And the back of the laptop is left pretty simple. We just have the Barbie logo. And you can bend the laptop. You put a crease in it, and it can snap closed. And once you crease it and reopen it, it will sit up on its own. There's a blue lamp. On the base, there's a faux on and off switch, and a little flower detail right here at the joint. But it doesn't move. And we get a sticker sheet with some fun items to add to our corkboard. There's a calendar, a flag that says Barbie, a couple of hearts, a rainbow, some books. I think this is an eraser, a pencil, some paper clips, stars, a sun, and a push pin. I was about to put some stickers on my corkboard, and I remembered I saw pegs on the back of that corkboard. So it got me to thinking, can I remove it and change it into a mirror? So I was able to take the faux cork portion out, and it was a struggle. So you don't have to do this to yours if you don't want to, because I was a little afraid I was going to break it. I did use a flathead screwdriver to help me get this out. There's 3 pegs here that I had to press on to release it. I had to press on those pegs back here to release it with the screwdriver. And I was pretty afraid I was going to snap something and break it, but I was able to release them. To create a mirror, I could cover this portion in some mirrored paper, but then I would have to worry about taking it in and out every time I wanted to remove it. So I decided to just take some cardboard and cut it just a little bit smaller than this portion and cover that in some mirrored paper. And I'm going to see if that will work. I think I'm onto something here. I need to trim the edges of my paper a little bit more, and that would make it lay a little bit smoother because I do have some wrinkles in the mirrored paper. But this could definitely work, and it could give me so many more options. I could actually put real cork in there if I wanted to, or any kind of paper just to change up the background. But just by putting the mirrored paper in, we can now use this desk as a vanity. And when I'm ready to change it out, since my background is just paper and cardboard, I can just take the back of a paintbrush and just push it forward and pull it out. And to put the original piece back in, I should be able to just line up the pegs and snap them back in. Now let's add some of our stickers. We can even add some mini brands and mini verse items. Where is it? I just had it a second ago. It has to be here. What you doing? I'm looking for some notes. I just had them 30 minutes ago. I laid my head down to take a quick nap on my desk, and now I can't find them. Huh. Did it have anything to do with cost, value, and profit? Yeah. How did you know? Lucky guess. Here. You might need this. And you might also need to look in a mirror. Overall, I think for $10 to $12, depending on where you purchase it at, it is a good playset. You get a full setup, and it would be a good piece if you're just starting with your collection, because you can build a room off of this one piece, like a school scene or just a little study area in your doll's bedroom. And having the option to change the desk into a vanity is a bonus for me. So my friends, that's all I have for you today. If you have any questions about anything in this video, please leave them in the comments below. I will try my best to answer your questions. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. I'll see you next time, my friends. Bye-bye.